Hi, this is Dr. Emma. Are you looking for an affordable intraoral camera for your office and don't know where to choose from? You're probably faced with these common challenges. These cameras are expensive, difficult to connect to your imaging software, and don't always have a quality image. Meet the Wolfcam, a wired HD intraoral camera with a high-definition image for only $389. The Wolfcam is a wired intraoral camera with a narrow head design, 12mm width. It's equipped with a 2-megapixel CMOS sensor. It has the following features: 1280 by 760 pixels HD image, 2-action image, capture, and lights on or off, 105-degree view angle, automatic autofocus, slim, lightweight design. The team of Dental Savings Club will install and connect your camera at no extra charge to your existing software such as DEXIS, ABELDENT, CADI, ADSTRA, CLEARDENT, Tracker, and many others. Take advantage of our introductory special pricing of $389 and take advantage of our 3+1 special. Visit us at www.dentalsavingsclub.com or call us at 1-888-768-1230 to start saving today.